We have the N3000 series, which is an H.264 series from SVSI. So what's kind of the difference between the H.264 on the N3000 and now on this 2600 series?
Good question. So one of the big differences is that, as we all know, the N3000 is a little older, so it's newer technology, right?
2600.
In the N2600, this is up-to-date technology. A lot of it is cutting edge on the H.264 side, but we're also improving on the user experience in the H.264 settings by allowing profiles. And what those profiles allow you to do is, as the user, with very little effort, if you will, put in the certain settings that you know of, right? Your URL or your password or your pass key, if you have one, to get that stream sent to your provider.
So within H.264, there are lots of different settings that you need to configure so that you can customize that stream and it'll work with Panopto or Wowza or YouTube or whomever?
Correct. So a lot of those settings we're taking care of behind the scenes for you. And then that way it's less burden on the user.
Now I don't have to go and look it up and find those settings and input them all individually. I can just choose Panopto from the drop-down list.
You choose Panopto and then you input the Panopto specific information that it's looking for, URL or a password.
Right.
Hit save and you're off and running.
And what's the list of those providers that we have profiles for?
Sure. So the current list that we have is Panopto, YouTube, Wowza, Facebook, are the ones that are set right now, but we're always willing to take recommendations and suggestions on other streaming platforms that are available.
Okay, great.